What's up, everybody? It's Coach D. It's the weekend, but I said, let me go and mark up my charts and be ready for Sunday. I start trading around 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on a Sunday. If I see a move going in the right direction, Asian session around that time. But other than that, I will be waiting for London to open at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Michigan. So let's look and see where we at with GJ. I caught that move all the way down to 186.20 that I told you guys about. That was a good trade. And then it pretty much consolidated throughout the rest of the day on Friday. So the first thing I teach my students is to go to the daily to mark up their charts. So we go to the daily and we mark our highs and lows. We're going to pretty much just drag. We're going to get rid of the 4-hour green. That's usually my 4-hour support and resistance. So we're going to just get rid of that. We're going to drag our daily low right where that last candle is at for the daily. You see that wick, the bottom gold wick, replacing it right there. Then we're going to look for the high. Right now, the high is pretty much where the 1-hour halfway point used to be. So we're just going to pretty much drag that somewhat where we see some support and resistance at, which we really can't see it on the daily. So I'm just putting it halfway where I think it is. And then I'm going to drag. Don't know why they be doing that. My hands must be too big. Then we get the drag right here for our new daily high. That's the highest it went up Friday. So that's all you're doing is getting your daily high and your daily low. Your daily high, your daily low. Then we go into the hour to look for the support and resistance area for the middle. Like I said, we're going to make sure, if you know how to mark up charts, you already know you're just looking for support and resistance for highs and lows. And from what I see, you got a lot of consolidation in that area. My no-go zone is going to be, I would say, okay, so I'm going to say right here. About right here, I see some support and resistance right there. And that's pretty much a decent, that's not all, 100 completely halfway between the daily and high, but it's a good position from what I see for your support and resistance for the 1 hour. So I'm pretty much marked up. That's all I'm looking for. The way I determine my no-go trade zone is from if it's higher or lower between that 1 hour. And right now it's below the 1 hour. So that's going to be my no-go zone. So I go get my rectangular position, and I mark that up for the no-go. Right here, this is the no-go area. I will not take a trade unless it break that 1 hour resistance or that daily low. So that's how I trade. That's how I teach.